When it comes to business websites, picking the right hosting platform can make or break your online presence. So, in this video, we're diving into a comparison between two popular hosting providers, HostPapa versus WP Engine. Which one is better for business websites? Stay tuned to find out, as we'll go over key factors like performance, pricing, support, and features, and we'll reveal which one truly stands out for businesses. Let's start with performance. Both HostPapa and WP Engine offer solid uptime, but performance can vary based on your website's needs. HostPapa is a good option for smaller businesses or those on a budget. Their shared hosting plans can provide decent performance for entry-level websites. But when it comes to speed and optimization, WP Engine really stands out. With their managed hosting service, your website gets faster load times thanks to optimized servers and caching tools. So if speed and performance are top priorities for your business, WP Engine takes the edge here. Next thing to consider is pricing. HostPapa is much more affordable, especially for small businesses just starting. Their entry-level shared hosting plans are easy on the wallet and still provide some decent features like free SSL certificates and one-click installs. On the flip side, WP Engine's managed hosting comes at a premium, especially when you start adding on the advanced features that make it stand out. If you have the budget for it and need extra performance, WP Engine may be worth it. But if you're starting out or need to keep costs down, HostPapa gives you more bang for your buck. The support experience is another factor that can't be ignored. HostPapa offers 24/7 support, but based on customer feedback, their response times and quality of service can sometimes feel a bit inconsistent. You might get a fast response, or it could take a while. WP Engine, on the other hand, is known for its excellent customer support, particularly for managed WordPress hosting. They offer phone, chat, and ticket support, and it's often praised for being more responsive and knowledgeable. If you need more hands-on help, WP Engine might be your go-to, but HostPapa support is still solid for most businesses, just a little hit or miss. Moving on to features, both platforms have a lot to offer, but they cater to different types of businesses. HostPapa has a good range of essential tools for website management, including easy WordPress installations, free website builders, and email hosting. It's a solid choice if you're looking for a no-frills, reliable hosting solution. WP Engine, though, goes all in on premium features like automatic backups, enhanced security, staging environments, and content delivery networks, CDNs. This makes it a more robust choice if you need advanced features to manage a larger or more complex business website. Next thing to keep in mind is scalability. As your business grows, so will your website's needs. HostPapa offers scalable hosting plans, but they're a bit limited in comparison to WP Engine. WP Engine is built for growth, offering better scalability options like dedicated servers and high-performance features, so you're less likely to hit a ceiling as your business expands. If you're planning to scale up significantly, WP Engine is more equipped to handle that, although it comes at a higher price. Lastly, security is something every business owner should take seriously. Both platforms provide SSL certificates and basic security features, but WP Engine excels with built-in features like daily backups, malware scanning, and enhanced security protocols tailored to WordPress. HostPapa does offer some security measures, but it's not as extensive as WP Engine's. Now, here's the thing, both HostPapa and WP Engine are solid choices, depending on your business needs. HostPapa shines in terms of affordability and is a great option for startups or small businesses. But if you're looking for a more premium, high-performance hosting experience with top-tier support and advanced features, WP Engine is the way to go. However, after testing both platforms and looking at the long-term needs of a business website, I'd recommend a different alternative altogether. If you're serious about growing your business online and want the best hosting experience without the hassle, check out the free trial link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Don't miss out on the opportunity to give your business the hosting it deserves.